totally in love, baby, with you. Almost everybody I mentioned, like Her Natural, Galore, Church is My Club. These are all very small, black-owned, female-owned brands. Oh, yeah. Guys, I'm trying to put together these training wheels. Look how loosey-goosey this thing is. I don't know why it won't tighten up. It just won't.
Powerful. Did you see that, guys? I wear a shoe. Let me show you how to aim. This is how you aim. Boom!
Here. What's up, community? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Today is Tuesday, December the 19th. We are getting so close. We're getting so close to the end of Vlogmas, so close to Christmas Day. I'm excited. I have a headache right now because I forgot to eat. It's like 11:30 in the morning. It is cold. Okay, when I say cold, I'm talking about it was 26 degrees when I was walking Mikey earlier this morning. And Prince wanted to play with his child. I was like, let's just get this walk over with. But he wanted to have a whole play date. Okay? But it's all good. It's all good. We got it done. It's about lunchtime. I think I'm going to eat some noodles. And then today we also have Prince Taekwondo class, which I have been using to do my journaling. I think that's a good time for me to do my journaling while I'm just sitting there. So I think I'm going to do that again today. I don't really have any like real errands to run while he's in class. So I'm just going to journal. But that's all we're doing. Yesterday I did not vlog at all because I had to work early. It was a busy day. And after I finished working, I laid down. I ordered food. I didn't clean. I didn't do any of my normal stuff that I normally do. Let's just not talk about Monday, okay? Let's just move on. So that's the first day, and hopefully the only day that I did not record for Vlogmas. And it's okay, it's all good. Ain't like nobody getting ready to give me no award or anything for finishing on time. It's just my own personal accolades for right now. I'll probably be cooking dinner with you guys. I'm gonna try to make some steak in my new air fryer. We're gonna see how that work out. I'm excited. But my friend told me to get some air fryer liners. So I was looking into that. I think I'm going to order the silicone ones because you can reuse them. And you don't have to like keep ordering the paper ones. I hate buying stuff over and over. I like reusable. Work has been really slow today. As you can see, I'm at work right now. I have not even gotten a call. I've been talking to you guys for a good 3-4 minutes. And I have not gotten a Thank you for calling the new construction team. This is Kimberly. Okay, guys, so as soon as I say I ain't getting no calls, here comes all the calls. But yeah, so that's all I'm doing today. I'm wearing my Church is My Club dress. This is one of my favorite dresses. It's got a hood to it. It's perfect for the fall and winter. Okay, so if you guys want this, I will put it down below in the description box. My friend is the founder and owner of this brand. She is one of those friends where I don't get to talk to her every day, not even like once a month. We don't really even hardly talk at all. But I know she's rooting for me and I'm rooting for her. and everything will be linked down below for that. Make sure you just check it out. Even if you don't purchase anything, just go to the website and look around, okay guys, because every little bit helps, especially with these black female owners. These people are up and running their small businesses. Everybody I mentioned, almost everybody I mentioned, like Her Natural, Bella Galore, Church is My Club, these are all very small, black owned, female owned brands. These are mothers, single mothers, some of them. Not Her Natural, she married now, girl, she married, but you know, they're single moms, and you know, it just helps to just click on the site. You know, it help pushes the numbers up and get them out to more people and all of that kind of stuff. So I really appreciate whenever I do suggest a brand. It is usually going to be black owned. It is definitely going to be female black owned, and it is most of the time going to be a small business. So, you know, we want to support them as much as possible. And sometimes support is free. You can just go on their website, look through, click like. You can go to their Instagram, share some of their stuff. You can type a message like, hey, I love what you're doing. You know, there's a lot of free ways to support as well. So make sure you guys are supporting, okay? Because I don't be sharing these things with y'all for no reason. I share it because I want you guys to click on the websites and click on the links and stuff, okay? It doesn't help me. I'm just promoting, okay? The only one that I have an affiliation with is Bella Galore, and I get the same 10% off that you guys get. So it's not like I'm getting rich over here. It's really because I support these people. All right. So I'm gonna continue working. I need to go get me something to eat because, honey, this headache that I'm getting is because I did not eat this morning, and I did not take my medicine this morning, and it is almost noon. So I'm about to go do that right now. Whew, child, I got a real big headache. As you guys know, I take 3 different pills. If you're new here, then you probably don't know. But if you're new here, let me just introduce myself. If you are new here, my name is Kimberly Arlynda, and I make daily vlogs based on my life living with bipolar depression or bipolar disorder, whichever you choose to call it. And if you are new here, you also probably don't know that the medications that I take. I do take 3 different medications every day. But one of them is not based on my mental illness. One of them is just simply for my high blood pressure. As you can see, baby boy is doing better. So I take a mood stabilizer and a medication for my anxiety. Prince, get up off me, boy.
This is not Prince.
If you're not Prince, who are you then? Why are you in my house?
I'm Prince.
Oh, you are Prince.
No, not.
Y'all can hear he sounds a little congested. Even though he's feeling better, he's still sick. It's like we can't get rid of this bug, whatever it is. Because I'm still coughing too, not as often, but... So I'm making myself some hot and spicy noodles. Hey guys, this is one of my favorite.
Bang, 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 bang. Ting.
I usually add hot sauce to it and other little things, but today I'm not doing that. I'm too hungry to be chopping up onions and peppers, and I'm just gonna throw some hot sauce in there and eat. I think today I want to talk to you guys about, or just update you guys on my mental health, like what I've been going through mentally. I haven't talked about it in a while, The last time I actually talked about my mental health was, I think the video that you guys saw where I was going through, where I, showed you guys my therapy session. If you haven't seen that, I will link it down below, and I'll try to pop it up here on the iCards. But yeah, that's the last time I really talked about that. That was almost 2 weeks ago, maybe. It's almost time for me to have another session, and I have sessions every 2 weeks. I'm gonna probably talk to you guys about that later on today, maybe when I catch a little break from work. But for now, I'm just gonna eat, go back to work, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. I feel better already. Just eating this apple, I feel better already. Amazing. What's up, babies? What's up? Look at my.
Why did you call them babies?
I don't know. Go put your what do you call it?
Called babies.
So guys, look at this. I got the wig on that I got from ToniDaley.com, and I've been trying to fluff it out. And I have like a hood on because y'all know this dress has a hood. I might be absolutely, totally in love, baby, with you. Oh, you can't tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. With my glasses on. Shoot. I love how messy and unkempt it is. I love how natural it looks. I love how frizzy it is. I'm just trying to shape it in a way that makes it. You like how thick it looks?
Yeah. I mean, how fake it looks.
You said fake?
Yeah, it looks fake.
Oh, stop it.
It really does.
It be your own people. It be your own people. But I love it. I gotta get like some sort of, I think I'm gonna trim it a little bit, especially up front, because it's not laying the way I want it to lay up front. It's really giving
Hey guys.
Albert Einstein. But watch this. I'll put my hood on. Okay, look at that. With the hood? With the hood? Oh! Who is she? Who is she? Oh! I feel like somebody need to take me out.
Hey, guess what, guys?
Put your earmuffs on, bud. I feel like somebody need to take me out. Take me out on a date. Because this, all of this, needs to be celebrated. Okay? Alright. Y'all, I'll see y'all in a minute. What's up, community? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Today is a new day. Same wig. I think I did a little bit of styling to it where I got this little side part going on. But yeah, I'm excited. This wig is like... Anyway, y'all, I'm on a break from work and I'm hungry. So I am getting ready to make me something real quick. I don't know what I'm getting ready to do. Also, guys, I made this little syrup. It is orange juice and honey, but it's fresh squeezed, heated up orange juice. I got it from this TikTok thing. Was it TikTok? I don't know. My sister sent it to me, and it said to heat up oranges in a heat up oranges in the microwave for 2 minutes, and then squeeze them, like once it cools off enough for you to squeeze it with your hand or use a juicer or whatever you have. Squeeze them into a container and then add a teaspoonful of honey. So that's what that concoction is. And I'm getting ready to give Prince another dose of it because I gave it to him about 8 o'clock this morning. It's now 11. And you're supposed to give it to him every 2 hours, so I'm a little bit behind. It's supposed to be every 2 hours for 6 hours. So it's time for him to have another meal. Come here, Prince. I've been putting it in this syringe that I use for his amoxicillin.
That's how you do it.
Yeah.
Should
I might need to take some of it myself. Because I'm coughing too. I'm going to see if it worked for him though. Because so far I ain't seen no difference. We'll see, child. Because I'm sick of this cough. I'm sick of it. I have nothing really that interesting going on today. I have to work. We do have the training wheels that came in from Amazon for Prince's bike, so I'm gonna try to assemble that. But that's all we got going on. It's cold outside, girl. I had to turn that heat all the way up because it's cold. I have a therapy session on Thursday. Maybe I'll show you guys that.
Mom, did you get Lucky to go away? Because I don't want Lucky to go in my room.
Close your door.
Okay.
So, I have a therapy session on Thursday. Today's Wednesday, so that's tomorrow. I haven't really done my homework, so.
Mom, so when is your mom going to get here?
In 1 hour. Raymond is coming over today to hang out with Prince for a little bit because he missed his brother.
Yeah, but why is it taking so long?
He said he's not coming till noon. He had other stuff to do. He's not coming till noon.
Are you serious?
It's in 1 hour, but it's 11 o'clock. So just hang in there. He's coming soon. I got a question for moms.
No, look.
Do you think your child should have a gaming system?
Yes.
And if so, at what age? I feel like I'm not gonna buy a gaming system for Prince at all, like ever.
What?
Yeah. Like maybe a handheld one, but not like when you have to connect to the TV and all that kind of stuff. Why? Because you can play computer games. They have games on phones now that you can play. They have games, you know, in other different ways. So that's cheaper than buying one of those big old systems. And I just feel like
but
I don't want him to be focused on playing games. Like maybe when he's a teenager, but not like right now.
But gaming is my life.
Gaming is your life, and that's why you don't need it. It don't supposed to be your life. School is supposed to be your life right now. Okay, school and extracurricular activities, not gaming. Look who's here, guys.
I didn't tell you that.
It's my first child.
Retwist,
My first child is home.
you put me with no retwist.
You so cute. You're so cute. And he made food, guys. He made me a burger. Isn't that so sweet?
Hey, I'm a
Prince, you happy? You over here playing the game? You happy?
Yeah, but I'm better at cooking than my mom.
Oh, okay then. Just wanted to show you my baby boy. He came back home for a minute to play with Prince because Prince was missing him. And he made food, which I can definitely appreciate, honey. Tell you. Oh, y'all can't even see me, can you? Y'all, I am at a loss for words. I don't even know what else to tell y'all. Welcome to the boring vlogs. From now to Christmas, it's gonna be boring. It's gonna be boring. It's gonna be boring because we ain't doing that though. Finish all my shopping. Prince don't got school. Child, I don't know. I don't know.
Oh,
Guys, I'm trying to put together these training wheels. Look how loosey-goosey this thing is. I don't know why it won't tighten up. It just won't.
Nobody's watching your video yet.
It's got some blue.
Oh, nobody's watching your video yet. You know that, right?
It's got some sort of like stopper right here where it can't be twisted down any further.
Come on.
And this John Brown thing did not come with no kind of oh, is this instructions right here? Training wheel arm. Honey, this ain't telling me nothing.
I know.
Oh my God.